Would you like to discover how to put YouTube channel monetization on steroids? You're in exactly the right place. Hi, I'm Les Blythe from Freelance Your Future FYF 101, the channel where we talk about everything to do with making money online, from making money as a side hustle to making a full-time income like I do. In this video, we're going to discuss YouTube channel monetization, and I'm going to talk about what most people understand monetization to be, but then I'm going to show you how to put monetization on steroids. That is, if we take monetization to mean making money from your YouTube channel. Now, when most people talk about monetization, they talk about monetizing through YouTube, and that means monetizing through Adsense. So in other words, your videos get advertisements on them. You've seen those little ads that pop up. And every time somebody views an ad on any of your videos, you get a payment from YouTube Adsense. Now, as I say, most people think that is YouTube monetization, but there is a much better way than that. There's a way to make a lot more money than just the small amounts you get from YouTube ads. So, for example, in any case, to qualify for Adsense monetization, the first thing your channel needs is 1,000 subscribers. Which can be, it takes a little while to get that, and you need 4,000 hours worth of watch time on your channel. So that's kind of quite a challenge to get there for anyone who's new to YouTube, and to get that level of subscribers and views can be quite tricky. Now, as I say, even if you get to that level and YouTube accepts you for monetization, the payments you get can be quite low. How you get paid is you get paid on a CPM basis, and CPM essentially means cost per 1,000. M is for milli, which means 1,000. So for every 1,000 views of a video and an ad popping up on your video, for every 1,000 you get a certain amount of money. Now, the problem with that is, it sounds good, but the problem is that figure can be quite low depending on what your niche is. So, for example, a low earning niche, you might only get $1 something per 1,000 views, which you can see, 1,000 views is quite an achievement. And to get just $1 or so for that, you need to make $100, you need to get 100,000 views, which is tricky if you're a small channel. Now, the other thing is, obviously, that amount per 1,000 views can go up depending on your niche. So there are some niches like make money online, some popular niches like health, wealth niches, these kind of things, where that CPM, what you get paid per 1,000 goes up to maybe $2 or $3 or $5. And, some niches I've heard of, kind of $20 per 1,000 views. But I mean, even at those levels, it's very unlikely you're going to get to those levels. And even at those levels, the payment isn't fantastic. So with that said, what is the alternative to using the standard YouTube monetization? What is a better way? Well, the better way is to use affiliate marketing to sell products through your channel, and that's exactly what I do. I mean, at this stage, I don't have 1,000 subscribers. My channel is quite small, but I'm making good money through selling an online course and other things that I intend to sell through my channel. So first of all, what is affiliate marketing? Well, affiliate marketing, quite simply, is selling other people's products for a commission. So as an example, on my channel, I sell a course, I sell a writing course. My background is in writing. I'm a professional copywriter and writer. So I give the guys on my channel advice on how to write, certain techniques I've learned, how to cut corners, how to get earning money, which is what we're basically interested in, as quickly as possible through writing. And then obviously if you're in a situation where you want to earn money as a writer, you're going to have to get a course. I always recommend to get a decent course. Trying to go it alone and guess your way around professional writing is not the thing to do. So you want to get yourself a decent course. And there's a course that I use myself, the AWAI course, and I make money by recommending it to other people. I stand behind the course. I never recommend anything that I don't use myself, but I'll recommend the AWAI writing course to my subscribers. Now, the thing is, when you're selling an affiliate product or when you're recommending an affiliate product, you want to look for something that's got a decent commission. There's a lot of products out there where you might get, it'd be a $27 product and you get 40 or 50%. And there's an argument that says it's just as easy to sell you know, a $500 product or a $1,000 product or whatever it might be, as it is to sell a $27 product. And quite frankly, selling $27 products, you ain't going to make a lot of money. You know, to get a decent amount of money, you're going to have to sell hundreds and thousands of these things. And at the end of the day, with a kind of small YouTube channel, that's not really practical. So in a nutshell, the course I recommend as an affiliate product that I get paid a commission on, it sells for around the $400 mark. And for that, every time one of my subscribers takes the course up and buys the course, I get a commission of just under $200. So my recommendation is, when you're looking for products to promote on your YouTube channel, is to look for something that pays at least $100 in commission to you as an affiliate commission. That's my recommendation. So you can see that there's a better way to earn commissions on YouTube other than YouTube's monetization itself, which can be very lowly paid, and you know, not pay a lot of money to a small YouTube channel. Now, the next question is, where do you find products to promote through your YouTube channel? I'll look at that next, and then after that I'm going to fill you in on a course you can look at yourselves to get your YouTube channel up and running. And it's a course that I use myself, which again I can highly recommend, but we'll look at that in a moment. First of all, let me just show you a couple of places you can go to find products to promote through your YouTube channel for monetization. So here we go, guys. I'm going to show you a couple of places where you can find affiliate products to promote for commissions through your YouTube channel. Let's start with a site called Munchai, which is munchai.com. Now, Munchai concerns itself with digital products. I kind of really recommend you go for digital products because they're easy to promote and there's no physical delivery of a product, and the commissions on digital products tend to be a lot higher in any case. And you'll see here big launches. These are the launches coming up. It gives you the date when they're going to be launched. So you could actually make videos to promote these products ahead of the launch date. Now, one thing to point out, I know I mentioned to look for commissions of $100. These things have a funnel behind them. So for example, this one here is a $37 product, but there could be upsells in the funnel. That means by the end of the day, if someone buys everything in the funnel, you'll earn more than $100. So that's something you need to check out. This one here that's launching on the 1st of December from Walt Bayliss, Social Post Magic, is $67 at 50%. So the thing to do is check out the funnels to see that if everyone, you know, if someone buys everything in the funnel, what commission you'll actually earn. Now, the second one I want to point out to you is a very well-established website called ClickBank. It's a leading global retailer and affiliate marketplace. You could actually sell your own products through ClickBank if you wanted to. So ClickBank is one that I've used, and ClickBank, as they say there, is empowering entrepreneurs in over 200 countries, and they've been going for over 20 years with $4.2 billion paid out. That's quite a chunk of cash, I think you'll agree. And as I say, you simply sign up here. I'm not going to show you through the sign-up process. It's quite straightforward. You can sign up here and immediately start promoting the products. And as I say, you can also become a seller and sell your own products. So that one is ClickBank. And the third one I'm going to mention to you is a site called Avant-Garde. It's avantgardenetwork.com. And they boast that they give you some of the highest affiliate incomes in the business, the highest commissions. And remember, we want to find products that give a decent commission. So Avant-Garde is definitely one worth looking at. And as you can see here, they've won a couple of awards and things of that nature. So this is another one you can look at. They've got all kinds of products on here at all kinds of commissions. Anything from here, you can see Malwarebytes 25%. That's maybe a little bit low. IOBit is given 70%. So again, what I suggest you do is you sign up for these things and you have a look and see what looks good to you and something that's relevant to your channel that you want to promote. Lots of sort of recommendations down here and testimonials, and it really is just as simple as signing up and starting promoting through your YouTube channel. So there you go, guys. There's some places you can find affiliate products to promote through your channel for monetization. And you know, as I said to you, you're going to make more money than sticking to YouTube's own monetization through Adsense. Much more money, in fact. Now, I'm going to tell you in a moment about a YouTube course. It's one that I used that got me up and running and got my channel moving, which I'm kind of very pleased with, and I'm getting good results. But first, just to say, You know, if you enjoyed the video, if it was helpful to you, please consider giving me a like, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notification so I can send you details of new videos that I bring out. You know, you supporting the channel, as I keep saying, really encourages me to keep making these kind of videos to help you guys. Okay, that's it for that. Now, the course I would recommend you take a look at is a course by a guy from the UK called Paul Murphy. It's the Affiliate Tube Success course. And the course goes all the way from taking you by the hand from starting a YouTube channel to building it through monetization, and to a point where you can make some really good affiliate commissions as I'm making at the moment. As I say, with the writing course I'm promoting, I'm making, you know, a couple $100 every time someone signs up for it. Now, one of the main things you're going to need if you're going to promote products through YouTube is you're going to need traffic. You're going to need potential clients coming to your YouTube channel. And there's basically two ways of doing that. One is to buy traffic, and the other one is to get traffic for free. Now, Paul's course, Affiliate Tube Success, tells you how to get on page 1 of Google, and I've done it myself, I've achieved it, and I'm getting traffic from this method, so I can highly recommend it. So what I'll do is I'll put if you look on the screen, you'll see a link to go have a look at the course. If you think it could be right for you, up to you guys, have a look. I can highly recommend it. It's working for me, and as I say, I'm regularly making these sort of $400 sales and $200 commissions for doing so. And I'm going to build my channel up over the next months and years. I'm going to build my channel up substantially and promote other products as well. So as I say, in terms of making good commissions, go for affiliate marketing. I can recommend it. Have a look at Paul's course. The link will be on the screen, and just check out if it might be right for you. Okay guys, that's about it for now. As I say, I hope you found that useful. Give me a thumbs up, like the video, and I'll look forward to seeing you next time round. If you want to drop a comment, do that. I answer all my comments myself, and if there's any way I can help you, hit me up in the comments, and we'll take it from there. Alright guys, that's it for now. Great to see you again. Talk again soon. Ciao for now. Bye-bye.